Oh, there we go. All right. So what we have here, we've got two contestants. Would you please, on your notes there, we're going to be counting. I have saltines, right? And this is so one box. So write down one box is going to be equal to. One box is equal to, how many packages do you see in there, Ethan? 4. Count them 4. So one box is equal to 4 packages. And then one package, right? One package. We're going to take this, and you guys, we're going to help me count these real quick. Put them in piles of 5. So right now they're counting real quick. Put them in piles of 5.
You think I'm not?
5.
You're always hungry.
Ethan, put them in piles of 5.
Sure.
And so one package is going to be equal to a grand total of suspense is killing me. How many crackers you got there? 8. So 43. So one package is 43.
You can do it, Ethan. Crackers.
What are the crackers?
You know it's gonna become louder now. Your phone.
Okay, so they're going to be eating crackers. So what things are we counting? So we're going to count crackers, right? So we're going to
Get ready.
crackers.
I'm hungry right now.
And yes, we want to find out their rate. How many crackers will go for a minute? So what we're going to do, we're just, Lauren, you still have the timer up there? Get it up there real quick. So now here's the instructions for eating these things, because as she's getting her timer ready. You can only eat these one at a time. One at a time. One at a time.
Ethan, beat her. Just pork it down.
So, one at a time. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. You guys ready? All right.
Go,
Are you
go,
ready,
go.
Ava? Okay. So, one at a time. 1 minute. And then, you guys over this table, count how many Lucy does. Maybe just stand right here so these people can see. And then, you guys count how much Ethan eats, right? All right. Then we'll stop in a minute. So, Ava, give us the start off, okay?
Do we have to wait till we swallow? Cover
Yes,
one
that's all.
when you're not here. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go! What are you doing?
4, 3, 2, 1, stop. So, let's get what did you guys record? How many did Ethan get?
5.
So you have 5 crackers in 1 minute. And Lucy? Lucy did? Okay, 5 crackers in 1 minute. You guys got it great. Would you guys go back, get yourself something to drink, and then take a seat? Oh, sorry, Lucy. Hold on.
Can I have one?
I'd be happy to distribute these after we're done with the math. So, get these down. So right now, we want to write. Thank you. 1, 2, 6. So now what we want to do is we want to get down. So we have it right. It's the same. So I'm going to change Ethan and Lucy to contestants. So the contestants eat what? They eat 5 crackers in 1 minute. Your job, if they could keep that up, how many crackers would they eat in an hour?
I could eat.
You got it going? Good. So Aiden, make sure you explain your work there.
Okay, so they ate 5 crackers in 1 hour. So that's the cracker. So then you do 60 minutes. Because that was only in 1 minute. So then 60 minutes, you do that, you multiply by the 5 crackers. And I got 300, which means 300 crackers in 1 hour.
Thumbs up, you got the same thing. Nice done. Okay, now what I want you to do is now find out how many packages would they have consumed in an hour. Knowing that this is true. Make sure you write out your conversion. Write it out. How many crackers would they have eaten in an hour, or packages they would eat in an hour? So here's your next conversion. Find out at 5 crackers a minute. What would that be? What would that be in packages? Packages, it's called packages. Packages per hour. So how many?
That was 43.
How many of these would they actually consume? Kai's got an answer. Hayden's got an answer. Lance, you have an answer? Lance, why don't you come up here and show us your calculations. Go for it, Lance.
So I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure. So what I did is I took 300 crackers over 1 hour, and then I divided it by 43 crackers per package, and I got 6.98 packages per hour.
Raise your hand if you agree. Ooh, do we have a label here? We're gonna have labels here. Are we missing?
Well, not crackers, packages
Per
hour.
per hour. So that would be approximately how many boxes?
2 boxes.
Is it? Yeah. Well, like this. If it's 7, it would be about 2 boxes, right?
Yeah. And then have
Now-
44 left over.
So are all these calculations of, almost 7 packages an hour, 300 crackers an hour, 5 crackers a minute? What's the same about what's being described? What's the same between? Tell you, take a minute in your groups. What's the same about what's being described here? Go. What's the same about it?
They all are, they're just bigger versions of themselves.
3, 2, 1. Now, I asked you, what's the same about all these different measures? Because we described crackers a minute, we did crackers an hour, we did packages an hour. What's the same about all these? Let's hear from you, Jake.
Yeah.
Jake, what's the same about this?
An item and a unit time.
An item. So each one of them is describing, in this case, the item's crackers and time, right? Excellent. Right? Remember our thing with the cups and the gallon, right? Did how fast it was coming out change, whether it was going from the cups to the gallon?
No.
It was the same rate pouring out the whole time, right? We found out for 1 minute, and we calculated how many gallons that would be over an entire hour, right? But that flowing out's not going to change. What's not going to change here? What's staying the same here?
Eating.
Yeah, the eating's not changing. How fast they're eating is not going to change, right?
Yeah.
So what's different about all these things?
How much they eat, like how long they eat.
Yeah, the amount of time is different, right? And in that amount of time, won't there be, the more time goes by, the more crackers be consumed?
Yeah.
Doesn't that make sense?
Yeah.
The longer, So we're describing the same thing as rate in different units. Thumbs up if that makes sense. So whether you're eating crackers or pouring, we're pouring the liquid off of the gallon like we did, that's how fast something has happened. And rates have to have at least how many quantities? 2.